What's up, guys? So I want to do a quick video today over rewarded play. I have only earned one gift card so far from them, as you can see right here, and I almost have enough points to earn number 2. So if you do download this app, please use my referral link. It will be in the description box below, and I'll also put it in the comment section so it's easy for you to find. It will give us both a bonus, a sign-on bonus for you, and a bonus for me for referring you. That would be super cool of you to do. If not, that's okay too. But it's totally worth getting the bonus for yourself rather than wasting it. The reason I wanted to go ahead and do a video over this right now is because they've actually had some really fun games on here that I've really been enjoying playing, and I thought that some of you guys might want to try it out because you do get rewards for playing these games. I mean, to me, if a game is fun and I'm getting a gift card for playing it, then that's even better. One of the ones that I'm really personally liking is the My Cafe. I also like the Family Island. I'm always a big Sudoku fan, and I like playing Words with Friends just because I have a lot of other people friends that play it, or family members, so that keeps me in contact with them and helps keep my mind sharp. But I would definitely have to say My Cafe is probably my number 1 favorite, and Family Island is my number 2 favorite out of the apps that you see here. So if you have those, I totally recommend giving those a shot. And if you don't, a bunch of these other ones are fun, and just go through what they have to offer and you'll find a game that looks fun to you. I was going to show y'all a couple more of the apps that they have as options here. So as you can see, they have slots, dice dreams, best fiends, merge dragons, solitaire, rummy, gin plus, Yahtzee, corn master, wheel of fortune. So there's a lot of different options here, and you can click and it'll tell you a little bit about it and how many points you could earn off of it. So this is definitely an app to check out in your spare time. Now, mind you, this is definitely not going to get you rich or anything like this. This is just something that if you're going to be playing games anyways, you might as well work towards getting you a little Amazon gift card, because who doesn't like shopping on Amazon? And that's actually not your only options for rewards. They also have, let's see, I'll show you. My internet is apparently being a little bit slow today. Okay, so they have Walmart, Target, eBay, Bath and Body Works, Home Depot, Ulta, Best Buy. So as you can see, they have a bunch of really good options here. I'm still going to stick with the Amazon one because that's just my style there. But use my code if you join, and I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It helps me know that this video was interesting or informative to you, and I appreciate your time if you've made it so far in the video. Have a good day.